Hello everybody, it's Jason with Investing Logically. Hopefully you guys have a wonderful day today. In this video we'll talk about, I think it's 3 stocks to load up on. These will eventually double in my opinion, just give them time. So let's get to the video. So the first stock on the list is NIO, ticker symbol NIO. So it's a Chinese EV company. They produce electrical vehicles. They're up 5.66% on a day. That is pretty good. And in the week they're up nearly 16%. You can see their lowest point was around the $31 and they went up 70%. That is good. You'll never get a 70% return in that short amount of time. So that just shows that they can recover really strong. So high growth stocks like NIO can come down really fast and then shoot right back up in like a span of 2 weeks or less. So the reason you should load up on the stock is because they just got some European whole vehicle approval for their SUV. It's the NIO ES8 and Europe, so that's really good. What this means is that they'll get more customers, more deliveries, and they'll increase their overall income, and this will increase their stock price. So I do think leading up to the next quarter, they're going to see some massive moves. This company is already big in China and they have massive deliveries already. Once they get to Europe, think about how big the numbers could be. So NIO is just getting started. So for this one, I'm going to get this on any dips and just ride this up. Do not sell this. This is a long-term stock, at least 5 years. They're still getting started. Let's go for this. Is at least $60 by the end of 2021. We've seen some analyst prices of the $65 mark. We had 2 institutions, large institutions, loaded up in the stock. I think they bought like 16,000 shares. The next stock on the list is Tesla. It's another EV play. I told you guys to buy this one on any dips. So it's trading sideways this today and this whole week. Basically down list. It's up less than 1%. This one's going to reach $1,000 in 2021 and 2022. This is going to reach at least 1,400. That's my opinion. So basically 2 days ago they got a price downgrade by the UBS, price downgrade by 10%. I would recommend getting some shares before their earnings day because they expected to record some heavy deliveries. The next stock on the list is called Shopify, ticker symbol SHOP. So this one, I got you guys in the mid 1,200s if you guys were following my Instagram, but let's go for it. So this one is an e-commerce play, and look, we can see they're already making huge moves before pandemic. So this one's a strong play. This one's going to be one of the tops for the e-commerce sector. So what you guys in around here, and it's up 20% since then. That is really good. Shopify is so easy to use. I was one time going through the Shopify platform and was really impressed how easy it was, and that Shopify will cut commissions for users who generate their first 1 million in revenue. So there'll be no commissions on that. So that's really good by when they make their drop shipping business. So this one is a strong play. We see this one, it's quite a big company, so this one could reach, I think, around the 300 billion by 2025. So this one could reach, I think, around the 300 billion by 2025. That's my conservative numbers. So I do think by the end of 2021 this one could reach to at least 1,600. We know some analysts have a high price out of this of 1,900. So that just gives you an idea what some analysts think. So this one just went up 20% in 1 month, so expect some sell-offs. So maybe catch these on the 2 to 1% dips. Growing sector. We know more and more people are gonna keep trying to make their own business instead of just working in real life jobs. Based on some analysts, I think there was like a 51% revenue increase and for Shopify, and also like I think one small cap or large growth ETF like loaded up like 20,000 shares of Shopify. So that's what's happening with analysts and institutions. Basically Shopify is it's like Tesla. It's like a high growth volatile play. I don't think it's speculative though, because e-commerce is like a growing sector. Basically that's the end of the video. Those are my like 3 stocks to load up on. So I hope you guys enjoy the video.